Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our today's section. I'm Alina, member of EETI Foundation. Today is the second day of our journey with AutoCAD with Miss Aparna A. As we all know, Aparna is a third year civil engineering student at CET Trivandrum and has a profound knowledge in the field of AutoCAD. Yesterday, we have discussed few topics about AutoCAD. Today, we are going to continue our session about AutoCAD. So, without further ado, let's get started. Over to you, ma'am.
Good evening, everybody. So let's continue our yesterday's session. Is my screen visible? Hello. Can someone please respond? Okay. So yesterday we drew the plan of our one bedroom house, and today we can discuss about how to draw the section and elevation. Yesterday we started drawing the section. Um, so let's complete the section. Today we'll also be drawing the plan of our twin house, which is your task. So you need to listen carefully how I draw the section and elevation so that you can try drawing the section and elevation of the twin house. So let's continue. It's almost complete. I need to draw the door and window. Since I cut through this portion and I'm looking towards right, I can see a window here. Then I cut through the door and also the step. So we need to draw these three things. To draw the window, I am drawing window at a height of 150 units from the top. A 1500 millimeters. So here, or I can draw it from a height of, let's say, 1000 units. The height of my window is 1000 units. So my window is ready. I can trim off the unwanted portion.
The screen is not visible.
കാണുന്നില്ല. കാണാവോ?
Yes.
Okay. So I just drew the window. That is, I I cut through the plan over here so I can view the window, and I cut through the door as well as the step. So I need to complete this on my section. So I'm trimming off the unwanted parts, and I can offset my window to a distance of, let's say, 50 units. And I can use fillet. Okay. Um, Now I need to draw a line at the center. I can easily identify the center and draw a line, and I can offset it to a distance of 10 units on either side and delete the middle line as well as trim off the unwanted lines. So now my window is ready. Now I need to cut through the door over here. So I'm drawing my door at the same level of the window itself. This is my door. Then I need to cut through this step. So I need a step here. So I'm choosing line. Then from the outer wall, I'm drawing step at a distance of 25 units, 25 centimeters. So here it is 250 units. Then down 250 units. Then again 250 units. I can join it. So my step is also ready. Now I need to hatch these portions. Now I need to draw the roof slab. The thickness of the roof slab is 10 centimeters. So here I can take 100 units. And then I also cut through the parapet wall. So I need to show that whose thickness is same as that of the wall thickness. That is 200 units. Here 200. This side also 200 units. So my section is almost ready. Now I just need to label it and hatch these foundation, basement and all. I cut through the wall. I can see a window, the door step. So that's it. Now for hatching purpose, I can use this hatch. I can give the scale as 2 and change the color. I can increase the scale. So here I'm cutting through the parapet wall. So this hatch. Here also I'm cutting through wall. Here also cutting through wall. Now if I want I can show the sunshade also. Mm, can show the sunshade over here. We drew it at a length of 300 units. So okay. Now I can give the roof slab and floor slab. For that I can use hatch. I can use AR concrete. Here I need to reduce the scale size. Uh, Here I'm not cutting through any sunshade, so I don't need to show the sunshade. I don't need to shade the sunshade. And I can give lintel here. Then for PCCN. Now for the foundation, I can give rubble masonry. That is basically gravel. So I can select gravel from here. I need to increase the scale. I'm cutting through the step also. So hatch and so our section view is also complete. Text. This is section AA. Now I need to draw the elevation. I can delete this picture. Elevation is comparatively easy. I just need to project the lines from the plan and section. So I can choose construction lines. Here I need vertical lines. So V enter. Uh, Actually, I don't need the wall lines. I need to draw what I see from the front elevation, front view. So I can see the step, the door, and a window. So construction line, the ender, the walls, the door, window. Now I need to extend these horizontal lines. For that again construction lines, H ender, the ground line. Now I can trim off the unwanted lines. So I can trim all these lines. I need a window and a door. Here is the door. This is the door. I don't want these. Okay. Now I can copy the window here. For that I need to select it. I just need the inner part only. I can stretch this part. This window is not that accurate. So now I can draw sunshade. 300 units. 300 units. And repeat line. 300 units. Okay. Now I need to extend the roof to a distance of 600 units both side. So 600, and I can trim the line. Now all I need to draw is the step. For that I need to draw a line extending 250 units, down also 250, from here also 250, and line 250, and so my elevation is also complete. So now I will show you how to convert our drawing into a PDF. So it is very important because you need to submit the task as a PDF. Whether I'm using this plot icon, a printer shaped icon, so I can give the name as AutoCAD PDF high quality print. Then what to plot, I can select window and I can draw a window. Then I can center the plot and preview. So my hatch is too small, that is why it is shown like this. So you can increase the scale. Then the rest is fine, I guess. So this is our PDF. And I can click OK to convert it into a PDF. You can also add a box. I can use rectangle tool for that. Then I can give the name of the drawing, my name, then other details like scale factor and all here in this box, and you can submit it. So that is the end of our one bedroom house. Now we can move to the plan of our twin house. So this is what we are trying to draw. This is the plan. We have a bedroom, drawing area, dining, kitchen, a toilet. This is one part of the twin house. Like I said yesterday, there will be two houses in the same structure. Two families will be sharing a wall, but they have different owners. So this is the common wall, and the right and left side to this wall is exactly identical. So let's start drawing. We'll draw this much today, and you need to try draw the section as well as elevation. So let's draw here. So the last drawing we use the units as millimeters. So this we can use as centimeters so that you'll get an idea. It's actually a bit confusing, but once you understand the difference, it's very easy. So we can use centimeter unit for this drawing. So that I need to set my units. UN enter, position to 0, and the scale, the unit is set to centimeters. Okay. Now I need to draw construction lines. Line, I need a vertical line. Construction line, V ender. Then I need a horizontal line. Now I need to offset the wall. For that, offset. So I need to offset the wall to a distance of 20 centimeter. That is the standard size of a brick wall. 20 ender. The last drawing we gave the offset distance as 200 because our unit was in millimeters. Here it's 20. Then I need a room of size 280, then again a wall, then another room of size 280 and a wall. So again offset distance 280. 280 is the inner dimension. So inner wall 280 and then again offsetting a wall 20 and again offsetting 280 and then another wall 20. Now I need to offset the horizontal line to a distance of 20 units, then again 280, then 20, then I need another 280 also, then 20. So offset, offset distance 20, 280, 20, twenty. So, but I need 170 for kitchen, 250 for dining, and the rest for toilet. So I can trim off to avoid confusion. Then la offset. Kitchen I have 170. then the wall 20, then the dining room 250, so 250, then another 20. Okay, so it's complete. I need to trim off the unwanted things. So this whole thing, this whole thing, this whole thing, this whole thing. Okay. Now I can trim off these small lines. Okay. Now I get the basic layout of our plan. This is the bedroom. This is the kitchen, dining room, drawing room, and toilet. So now I can draw the door and window. So I want doors here, then here, here, here. One, two, three, four, five doors, of which four are of size 80/20. 80/20 means the length we see in the plan view is 80 units and the height is 200 units. So I need to draw door, line. I want a door here. So of length 80 units. I need a door here. The entrance door is of length 100 units. It is a little bit bigger, so here I can draw a door of length 100 units, 100 centimeter. So that is the door. Then I can trim. Okay. Now I need to show the opening space for the door using the arc. For that, arc. Start, center, end. Here the door will be opening like this. So start, center, end. Repeat R. Here the door will be opening this side. So I can simply copy this one, mirror. I can move this. That's my arc. Then here also arc. Start, center, and arc. Here the door will be opening like this. Then I can use mirror. Okay. Then here on another door, it will be opening like this, and here door opening like this. So arc. My doors are ready. Now I need to draw the windows. Actually, I need to draw join these lines also. My door is here. Now I can draw a window. The size of the window is 15W12, which means the length we see in the plan view is 150 unit and the height will be 120 units. The thickness is same as that of the wall thickness. So I need to draw a window for that line, 150 units. I can use block command because we need a lot of windows. So block command would be very useful. 150, then 20. Escape. Now I need to draw a central line for the window. Now I can insert this into the block so that I can select this. Then B enter. Name I can give it as window. Point and OK. Here all the windows are of same dimensions. You can use different dimensions. You can draw another window of say 20W12 and give it over drawing room, dining room, etc. So I'm using just a window of one dimension. Now I can use insert option. I enter. My window is here. Now I can give windows. I can give a window here, then another one here. You can actually center it approximately, or draw approximate positions for the window here. Then I need windows at angle 90 degrees, so I'm giving 90 here, window. I can give here. So I have given window here, 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 here. So that's it. Now I need to give a ventilator. For ventilator, the dimension is 8v5. That is 80 units in length. For that, there is no need of using block command. I can just draw it 80 units. And for window, we use a solid line at the center. For ventilator, normally we use dotted lines. So I'm using a dotted line for ventilator. So my doors and windows are ready. Now I need to hatch. Um, Before hatching, let's give the names and the dimensions. I also forgot to draw these steps. So first of all, we can draw this step for that line command. I want step at the back door as well as front door. Back door 250. Uh, Actually, this 250 units is in millimeter. Here we want 25. 25. I want solid line. 25 and 25. Now I can offset 25 units. Fillet. Now I can either mirror this one or copy this one. I'm copying this step. Now I can mirror this. Now I can move it. Now my step is also complete. Now I need to draw the plinth as well as sunshade. For that plinth, I need to offset it to a distance of 5 centimeter and sunshade at a distance of 60 centimeter from the outer wall. Offset 5. Offset 60. Fillet. Now I can trim off the plinth over the step. Okay, now I need to actually we want wall of thickness 20 centimeter. If I mirror this, I'll get a wall of 40 centimeter. For that, I need to offset this to the left to a distance of 10 centimeter. So finally, my wall thickness is only 20. I can trim off the other one. Okay, now I need to label it. For sunshade, I can use dotted lines. Then I need to label it. For that, I can use text. Text, I can give the height as 15. That's okay. Text, height 15. So this is kitchen, and the size of kitchen is 170 in length and 280 in width. And this is dining room. Dining, it is 250 into 280. This is toilet. That is 120 into 280. Or I think it is 120 into 280 itself. So then this is bedroom. Bedroom 280 280 into 280. Then this is dining. Sorry, this is drawing. This is also 280 into 280. Now I can give the basic dimensions. We need a open space here. It is also of length 80 units. So forgot to draw that earlier, 80 units. It's same as the door, but you don't need to give door over there. It is an open space. So for open space, I can give an O. Now I need to dimension the doors. For that, 8B20. Then this one is 10B20. Then the window is 15W12, and the ventilator is 8B10. Now I need to copy this window. Here I have a window. Then here window. Here a window. Now I need to copy the door also. Now I need to rotate it. Now I need to move these. So it's almost complete. Now I just need to hatch it. Uh, I also need to uh, give the dimension line. I can give it afterwards for that dimension from this wall to this to 10. Then from here to
പാരഡോക്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ വാക്കിന്റെ അർത്ഥം അതാണ്. തെല്ലില്ല ഇവിടെ.
Okay. ഇനി hatch ചെയ്യാം. For that hatch option, this one, I can give the scale, I can increase the scale. Before hatching, actually I can mirror this one. For that mirror tool, I can specify the, okay. Okay, now I can delete the central line and I can hatch. So my plan is ready. So this is the plan of my twin house. Now I need to draw the section and elevation. The time is almost over. So you need to draw the section and elevation as the task and submit it as a PDF. I've already shown how to convert the drawing into PDF. I'll just briefly give an idea. You need to draw the section through the door here, so that I cut through the step, a door and a window. I cut through the step, the door, and the window. And I can, when I view to the left side, I can see the 8D20 door that is represented here. Then the basement and PCC is same as that of the other one itself. That is the one we drew earlier. So then the roof also same. Only difference is that you cut through the door and a window and you can see a door completely. And here there are three walls. There it was only two walls. So that is about section and elevation. For elevation, you need to project lines from the plan as well as section, and you can trim off the unwanted things and add this step, and your elevation will be complete. It will look somewhat like this. I think I have added a window over here, so two windows will come here. That is the only difference. So that's it about our session today. Do you have any doubts? See, if you have any doubt regarding how to draw the section and elevation, you can contact me. Uh, so I think we can wind up today's session.
Thank you all for joining us today. I would like to take a moment to thank you, our speaker, Aparna, for sharing your insights and expertise with us today. Your talk has been both informative and engaging, and we appreciate the effort you have made in the preparing and delivering it. Participants, please note the Google form for task has been provided in the chat box. And also, we would like to remind everyone to fill your valuable feedback in the feedback form provided in the chat box. The recording of today's section is available in our official website. Also, do join our WhatsApp group for getting the latest updates from us. The respective links are provided in the chat box. Once again, thank you, Abarna, for being part of our program today, and thank you all.